Hi guys, follow me on Instagram to never ever miss any of my crazy updates. 4 lights, 5 lights, and off we go. That was a real late release, any which ways. I have qualified dead last and I've done it intentionally so that I get a chance to overtake as many people in the race as possible. Here we are diving through, I don't know where. I'm going to get a warning for colliding with Raikkonen, and I'm sure for that, yes. Although it was not really my fault. This is something which Kimi's also done in this particular track. It's very tight on the first corner, especially when the race starts. What is happening? Yeah, everyone kind of slows down one behind another. They can't go flat out, at least not in the first lap when everyone is bunched up together. However, let's see the power of this Ferrari engine. Unfortunately, the car ahead of me also is running a Ferrari engine, which means I really don't get any advantage, although I get the advantage of late freaking braking and taking Norris, although he's drinking milk right now. But still, can we? No, that's Sainz. That's Carlos Sainz. It's his car I'm driving right now. This is the car he's going to get next year. So, I need to hurry up. Late on the brakes, little bit on the grass. Seems like I'm driving a 4x4. Illegal overtake here. Go before they give me a penalty. Yes, I shall give the position back. Never mind. Actually, I'm finding it a little difficult to drive right now because I was playing Forza, and then jumping from Forza to Formula 1 is a very different ball game because it's very technical. I'm going to block the inside line. Yeah, I'm going to block the inside line, but Sainz did a great job of not letting me go. That's impressive, Sainz, huh? That's why you deserve my car. Anyways, I don't know who's leading the race. Probably it is Leclerc. He's getting pressurized. Look at this guy. Carlos is getting pressurized. He just locked his wheels. I think Leclerc is running right ahead, and he's the reason why I am leaving Ferrari at the end of the year. Yeah, I'm driving Sebastian Vettel's car. Now I'm going to punch hard into the gas. That Renault engine is a sitting duck. I'm so sorry, but that's a GP2 engine. I am off. So Formula 1 is an important motorsport, one of the most important motorsports. Personally for me, it is the most important. My whole driving has been learned while driving Formula 1 cars as a child on the computer. And that time proper Formula 1 games were also not there. I used to download some pads some Russian used to make. Okay, Valtteri Bottas is leading, and that is what happens when you have a racing point. I'm going to take Kevin for sure right now, late onto the brakes. And Max Verstappen is not the easiest guy to overtake, but we will try our level best to overtake Verstappen as well. Now, am I going to get DRS or not? I'm actually getting a nice run in his slipstream, but unfortunately this corner is too tight to try anything whatsoever. Only thing is it actually spoils the complete run. You can't really flat it out because unfortunately, the wind is very dirty and then it spoils everything for you. But Honda power is quite impressive right now. Oh my god, I have just spun and I have kind of lost a lot of positions as well. We have lost oh my god, I am 14th now, 12th. But still, we'll not give up. We're going to try and overtake everybody. That is Daniel, who was also fighting for my seat here in Ferrari, but fortunately he did not get it. And because I'm pissed he was trying to get my seat, I just knocked him a couple. So digressing from the topic, playing Formula 1 in childhood really taught me a lot about driving because this is the pinnacle of motorsport. This Formula 1 is all about your lines. It teaches you so many things, and that's what really made me crazy about cars. Driving a Formula 1 car, the sound of these cars. Now obviously we have a V6 engine. Earlier it used to have a V12, and that V12 motor was so loud. It was absolutely insane. Not a bad progress, huh? After making a mistake, I came all the way to 12th. I made 2 positions up. Kimi is not an easy guy to get through, which you saw. He just did not let me go through easily. But remember one thing about Kimi, he's busy having ice cream, so you can just overtake it. Carlos, you have to move out and let me go. Anyways, you have to get used to the team orders which are coming next year for you. So just move out of the way and let me overtake you. I know he's not going to let me do that, but I'm going to be really late onto the brakes and I'm going to block this. Albon has been on the top of its game. Leclerc has set the fastest lap, the reason why I'm no longer in Formula 1. Thanks, Charles. And okay, we have DRS enabled, which means I can use that. I'm going to take Perez and I'm going to take Kevin also. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm not going to back out. I'm going to have DRS really very soon. Kevin, though, I'm going to take him like this only, in this corner. Don't be so overconfident, Faisal. You just can't be so overconfident. Remember, Kevin is not an easy person to pass. But I've got DRS now, and DRS being opens now, and he doesn't get DRS. Look at the additional speed I get because of DRS. Thanks, Kevin. Bye-bye. Take care. See you. And hard onto the brakes. Max is not the easiest person to overtake, unfortunately. Max is really very aggressive. However, I'm going to take Max in the next corner. I'm so sure about it. No, 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 I made that mistake. Now I cannot take him. Let's line him up on the next start finish. Can we do that? Yeah, block him. No, no, he's not the... Oh my god, I managed that pretty well. So, Formula 1 is something which all of you should play without a doubt. It's an absolutely sensational game. It's so good. It's so good. It teaches you so many things that you have to play Formula 1. You have to forget playing Formula 1. That is not easy because not everybody will be having a gaming console and I don't think it's available on PC or something of that sort. होगा शायद PC पे भी होगा. But सबसे important चीज़ ये है कि you guys need to watch Formula 1. It is so much fun. It's so exciting. Only 18 to 20 races in a year. And I don't even watch the qualifying. I watch the race because qualifying is so slow. A lot of politics also happens in qualifying. Who is right ahead of me? Lewis Hamilton. Hamilton, though, I'm not a big fan of. You know why? Because he just spoiled Formula 1. Oh my god, I just made a massive mistake. What are we doing? Someone's going to pass. Yeah, thankfully we made some gap. Now I should just keep quiet, put my head down and try to catch Hamilton. Which means I'm going to shut my commentary for a moment and we're just going to focus on the drive experience. Here we go.
Great work. That's a new fastest lap for the race. Leclerc's taken the lead. Nice work, that brings you up a place.
So that was one blistering lap just to get an advantage, and thankfully I had a nice exit. Can we do it? No, can we? No. Oh sorry, I just hit Leclerc and there Bottas is right in me. Anyways, now we are into second position and it's a Ferrari 1-2, which is a nice place to be in actually. I know I'm driving a little easy as such. I mean the game level is on easy because if it wasn't tough I would not be able to overtake anybody whatsoever unless I have a proper simulator, and this is my chance. DRS being open, time to take Leclerc. Leclerc, move out of the way, and he moved out of the way. Nice, respectful towards your senior, and hard with the brake. And now we are leading the race from 20th on the grid to first. Well, that was quite a bit of an achievement, I would say, but now we don't need to mess it up and finish this race without any issue whatsoever. Yeah, the downshifts are happening. Now if you notice one thing, the rev counter shows all the way till 10,000 plus RPM. The motor does rev like crazy. Yeah, this engine is like 11,000 plus RPM is where it revs. It's just a little tricky to drive because my tires have kind of gone for a toss now. Obviously they degrade a lot. I did a 5-lap race because I was like, 5-lap is more than enough. Car is super advanced. I think the car weighs around 600 kgs, which is extremely light in terms of weight, and there is Leclerc right behind. So it's going to be a Ferrari 1-2 after a real long time, which is actually a great achievement. Long time because we have not had any races whatsoever. So guys, this is a vlog of me driving a Formula 1 car, and you know what? We have won the race. We're really late onto the brakes. Checkered flag is out. But you know, you guys must have seen that thing, na? Bazigar, oh Bazigar.
कुछ जीतने के लिए कुछ हारना भी पड़ता है.
Oh my god, and here we are going to finish second. Yes, we finished second.
Brilliant job, mate. That's a fantastic podium. Super driving, really strong pace. Very, very happy.
Ferrari have really pulled it out of the bag today. It's a great win. What do you think it was, Ant, that gave them the edge over the competition today?
Well, I know it's a bit of a boring answer, but the truth is they simply had the best speed package on the day. And a drive.
Here come our winners now. A thrilling race and a tremendous effort by Ferrari. Their history as well.
अरे अरे दारू किधर है? दारू लेकर आ. अरे मैं दारू नहीं पीता. कोई नहीं यार. फ्रेश लाइम सोडा ले आ. फ्रेश लाइम सोडा उड़ाएंगे हम लोग. इसको ट्रॉफी मिल गई. मेरी ट्रॉफी कब आएगी? बॉटस बोल रहा है क्या ये ट्रॉफी मुझे हैमिल्टन को गिफ्ट करनी पड़ेगी या मैं अपने पास घर पे रख सकता हूँ? अच्छा ये दारू वारू फेंक मत दो उधर. प्यास लग रही है. पानी मंगा मेरे लिए. कौन से पिएगा? बिस्लेरी. अच्छा चल वो सब छोड़, बकचोदी छोड़. चल फोटो वोटो निकालते हैं एक दूसरे का. और चलो तुम दोनों मिलके मुझे उठाओ.